Are you seeing a session timed out error again and again? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you simple and powerful ways to fix it instantly. Make sure to watch till the end, because the last tip can solve this problem permanently. First, let's quickly understand the problem. A session is the time you stay logged into a website. When you stay inactive for too long, the website logs you out automatically for security reasons. That's when you see session timed out or session expired error. Here are the main reasons why this happens. You stayed inactive for too long. Weak or unstable internet connection. Browser cache or cookies problem. Extensions blocking sessions. Server timeout settings. Now, let's fix it step by step. Follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Refresh the page. Sometimes a simple refresh solves everything. Step 2. Log in again. Re-enter your username and password. Step 3. Clear cache and cookies. Go to Browser Settings, Privacy, Clear Data. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Make sure your connection is stable. Step 5. Disable extensions. Turn off ad blockers or security extensions temporarily. Step 6. Try another browser. Open the website in Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Step 7. Restart your device. This fixes hidden system issues. Want to avoid this error in the future? Don't stay idle for too long. Save your work regularly. Keep your browser updated. Use trusted internet connections. These small habits can prevent this problem completely. So that's how you can fix the session timed out error easily. If this video helped you, like the video, comment your problem, subscribe for more quick tech fixes, and visit HUMANITYUAPD.com for full guides and solutions.